Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tom yum seafood soup. To begin, gather your fresh seafood. Think succulent shrimp, tender squid, and firm white fish. Next, prepare the aromatic foundation. Thinly slice about 2 inches of galangal, bruise 2 stalks of lemongrass, and tear 4 kaffir lime leaves. Finally, have your fish sauce, fresh lime juice, and chili paste ready. These core ingredients are key to an authentic and delicious soup. Now let's create the heart of our soup, the aromatic broth. In a medium pot, bring about 4 cups of water to a rolling boil. Add your prepared lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves. Next, toss in 2 thinly sliced shallots and 3 to 4 bird's eye chilies, depending on your preferred spice level. Let this fragrant mixture simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. With our broth ready, it's time for the star of the show, the seafood. Gently add your shrimp, squid, and fish to the simmering broth. Cook them quickly for just 2 to 3 minutes until they are perfectly opaque and tender. Overcooking makes seafood tough, so watch it closely. Now, stir in 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, and 1 generous tablespoon of chili paste for that signature tom yum flavor. Almost there. For the perfect finish, ladle your incredible tom yum seafood soup into bowls. Garnish generously with a handful of fresh cilantro leaves and a sprinkle of thinly sliced spring onions. Before serving, give it a quick taste and adjust the seasoning if needed, perhaps a little more lime juice for tang or fish sauce for savory depth. Serve this delightful soup immediately, ideally with a side of fluffy steamed jasmine rice. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.